helped me prioritize where I wanted to be going with my life. It is intensive for sure, but I'm genuinely impressed by the kind of enthusiasm and effort that was put in to make this course what it has turned out to be.
The most memorable moments, I think, during my entire course were the Shashi Tharoor's lecture. Secondly, I think this dinner, because I talked with people I've not talked before, which is ironic since will not be able to meet anymore.
The advice which I would give the upcoming cohorts would be through three lenses. One is, I think, give every professor the time to demonstrate their expertise. You shouldn't be judging or basing your opinion based on how the person is particularly teaching, but the experience he or she is bringing on the board.
I've been asked to say 3 words to describe the course, and what I've come up with is interesting, tiring, and varied.
This is one of the best course that St. Stephen's has come, and it's definitely one of the best in the category in the country. Extremely happy that you guys joined us. I hope the journey is fun for you from here after.
One most vital piece I would like to take home from this course is the stimulating intellectual engagement we all were able to harness upon through collective action. And one thing which I'll definitely miss is the camaraderie and the flow of ideas and the passion towards solutions which are sustainable in nature for the greater good of the larger society.
The program at St. Stephen's College on Public Policy and International Relationship was of a great help. I, for one, do believe that it will sort of help me in the career that I sort of have chosen, especially in the field of public policy. The program coordinators did a wonderful job in trying to get us the best speakers, and I'm sure we will have more programs as such coming the way. Thank you very much, and wish all my cohorts the very best. Thank you.
Shweta, the site, and I think this was a fantastic experience. Also, it was a very immersive experience. Thank you.
So I think what I'll miss the most, or you can call it one of my regrets, would be not to try everything there is in the cafe. That would be a regret, and I think that's what I'll miss.
Seeing where do you fit in the larger picture in every lecture you're taking. So, be it a course on international relations where we're talking about international security, or a public policy in which we're talking about an implementation of a policy. Just try and figure out where you would want to play a role, because that would also help you decide where you should be going in future post the course ends. Thank you. All the best.
Getting so many speakers and everything, it was a whole lot of a different kind of an experience, which was fun, and getting to meet so many new people, that's great. Thank you.
Well, the course was fun. For me, it was an eye-opener into the field of public policy, international relations. I got to know about public policy through this course, how it's implemented from the grassroots level, and it was an exhilarating experience for me over the course of 6 weeks.
It's really interesting.
Intensive, but fun.
Free food.
Invigorating. The St. Stephen's Center for Advanced Learning course on IR and public policy for me was firstly a very refreshing change from 5 days of monotonous working. But I think what made this course so enjoyable for me was getting the opportunity to interact with such seasoned intellectuals in their field. I don't think after studying political science for 5 years in my life, I have ever had that clarity on governance and structures, which I got in this 6-week course simply because people who are so good on the field took the time to come and explain those things to us. So my major takeaway from this course is that whenever anybody has to understand something, they should go out there on the field, do it, and then try to understand it.
So hi, well, we finally reached the end of the course, and while I'm really happy to have completed it successfully, I'm also sad because I'm not going to get to meet all of my friends here every day. Well, not every day, every week.
And I have a reinforced faith in the Indian system, because if such people are leading it so well, I think it's time for us to also follow in the footsteps.
Getting contradictory views, okay, from intellectuals and bureaucrats on the same subject. I think it's been phenomenal how the line of thought that a particular person has on a subject is diversely different from the other speaker, and I think to me that has been the most enriching experience from this course.